Welcome everyone to the Plug Press. In this video, we will learn about the video model by the Divi Torque Pro plugin. Let's see how this module works and its feature, option, and how we can integrate YouTube and Vimeo videos to this pop-up. First, we are adding the video model. As you can see here, our module has been inserted and we should start with the content. We can use or hide overlay image, but we want to use an image as thumbnail. I'm selecting this image one and I'm selecting the icon and select the play icon 6, and from the design tab I am changing the color to the red and go into the content again, and I will insert a video URL and selecting the platform first, YouTube, and I will insert a video URL. And let's see how to copy YouTube video for this module. If you use option like share and embed or the copy URL, this will not work. You have to do it from here, or you can copy the URL and paste your browser, enter here.
The car became so popular amongst the
Copy this URL from this like format, pasting this URL in here on the video URL field and hitting the save button and exiting the visual builder. Right now when I'm clicking here, as you can see
these
here,
timeless machines.
as you can see here, video has appeared as pop-up with sound. Now I will show how you can integrate the Vimeo video. Enable icon visual builder, module setting, select the video type to Vimeo and copy Vimeo URL, and I will show the method how you should copy Vimeo video URL. Now I'm in Vimeo website and clicking in a video. As you can see here, a big URL has appeared. We are not copying the whole URL, just from the when the number ends. From here we all delete this, and also they delete this long URL, also delete this, and also delete this. Just copy to this, copy it on the video URL field. As you can see, select the Vimeo platform, so you should add a video from the Vimeo and hitting the save button and exit the visual builder. Click here. As you can see here, video start playing from the Vimeo. Now let's say this module, all our options and settings in shortly. Open module settings, go to settings, use animated icon. When you enable animated icon, animation like wave will show here like this. On the design tab, you can customize this pop-up as you want. That's how you can set up a video pop-up in your website using the Divi Torque Pro's video model. To get our plugin insight, to get our plugin tutorials, don't forget to subscribe Plug Press.